Hi, this is Matt McAleer, Director of Equity Strategies at Cumberland Advisors, with your 2-minute market wrap-up just after the close on Friday. One of the toughest things we have to do as investment advisors and traders is try to control our emotions, not to get too high, not to get too low. Try to circle levels that we're comfortable with for cash and make that bet. We did commit cash in our US ETF portfolio this week. If you recall from last week, we came in at 18% cash. By the end of the week, we're down to 5% cash. After investing some of it midweek, those levels look pretty good. That changed today. It's been a nasty pullback here, about 10% from peak to trough in S&P. We don't know if that's the end. We don't know what will happen next week. We are comfortable with some of the levels that we invested in this week, and we're also getting to extremes in some of the momentum indicators we follow. If we get a little bit of a reversal up, could spark a rally. We always say we're always looking for some kindling to spark a rally. Right now that kindling is in a wet forest, so we have to see what happens next week. International came in 22-23% cash, no buying this week. The selling hasn't given us an opportunity to find a floor. Unlike the domestic US market, where we're still trading north of those February and April lows, the international markets, with the exception of Latin America, has taken out those lows. We have to be much more cautious there. I wish we had more money, more cash than 22-23%. So we'll be looking next week. We are getting to washed out levels on weekly momentum numbers. We just need those to reverse to get more comfortable pushing money into that market. So we'll keep an eye on those indicators next week. As I mentioned last week, our short-term trading model is invested. We got continual buy signals throughout the week. This is a positive as far as bunching buy signals. Keep in mind that sell signal, we went to cash in the 4th week of August in that trading strategy. So mid-October, October 16th, we got a buy signal backed up by multiple buy signals this week. So while it won't tell us when we're at the bottom, it's getting some extreme quantitative numbers that have helped us to push money in on the US portfolio as well. We'll talk again next Friday. Everyone have a great weekend. Thank you.